Hello and welcome to another episode of Furious Tinkering with Steve. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I guess today what I wanted to do is a bit of a comparison. I've got two different cordless bandsaws. One of them is a Milwaukee 12 volt. It's not the newest brushless one, but it is the one preceding that. And the other one is a Dewalt 18 volt kind of XRP model from their previous generation of tools before they switched over to the 20 volt equipment. So I've got them both here. I'll show them to you. Dewalt, obviously in yellow. It is the DCS 370, and the smaller red Milwaukee is the 2429-20. So like I said, this guy runs on a 12 volt battery. This guy runs on an 18 volt battery. So what I had in mind was maybe just picking some metal tubing, pipe, whatever, and we'll do one cut with each one, and we'll just go back and forth until one of them runs out of steam. So without any further ado, I'll get that set up here in the vise, and yeah, we'll just take a crack at it one at a time. We'll see how it goes here. So the tubing we're going to start by cutting is, for any pipe fitters out there, you might be able to spot the schedule number on that. I don't know off the top of my head, but I can tell you that it is about 3/16 of an inch thick, so pretty decently thick pipe. I'm going to set it up here. Safety first. That's why I got my safety glasses on. Just kidding, these are not safety glasses. Oh, the other thing I should tell you is that this guy was just plugged in. It's a 3 amp hour battery, 12 volt for the Milwaukee. So the other thing too is that the pitch of the blade here is different between the two saws. So the blade that I have on the Dewalt saw is it's a much finer blade, and so just keep in mind we're not exactly comparing apples to apples here, but yeah, that's what I got, the two different bandsaws, so I figured we could try them out and see which one fares better. So this one being 12 volts and 3 amp hours gives you 36 watt hours, which is actually kind of helpful because this battery here, the Dewalt one, is also 36 watt hours, and I don't know if that can be seen clearly, but it's an 18 volt 36 watt hour. So if you divide the 36 watt hours by the voltage, you're going to get 2 amp hours. So different number of amp hours, but overall same power output for the two battery packs. Okay, so I guess we'll do the first cut with the Milwaukee. And I'm going to try and cut them pretty thin so we can get as many cuts as possible out of it. Okay, that's one. One for Milwaukee. Let's see how the Dewalt performs here. One for the Dewalt. I can tell you, and in case this doesn't come as a surprise, the Dewalt with the 18 volt battery does pack a lot more power, but obviously there's quite a difference in the size of the two tools, so something like this might be a little more convenient for, you know, maintenance, construction, if you're just kind of doing small stuff, cutting ready rods and things like that. But anything much bigger, I think it'd be better to go with the Dewalt. Anyways, second cut coming up here for the Milwaukee. for Milwaukee. We'll do a second cut here with the Dewalt. Okay. Okay, third cut for the Milwaukee. Here we go. Okay. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, third cut for the Dewalt. Number 4 for Milwaukee. Here we go. Okay. All right, number 4 for Dewalt. I gotta tell you, my ears are starting to hurt. Bear with me a second here. Safety first. Number 4. Number 5 for Milwaukee. Number 5 for Dewalt. Numero 6. Number 7. Oh, I said 7. Sorry, that was number 6 for the Dewalt. All right, number 7 for the Milwaukee. Anyways, we've got 7 slices with the Milwaukee so far and 6 for the Dewalt. I'm going to do one more cut with the Dewalt and then we'll just continue back and forth till we run out of juice, okay? Number 7. Number 8 from Milwaukee. Number 8 for Dewalt. Here we go. Number 9, Milwaukee. Number 9, Dewalt. Number 10, Milwaukee. I don't know if you heard that, but that one sounded like it was getting a bit tired there, so might run out of jam here. We'll see. This is number 10 for Dewalt. Number 11 for Milwaukee. Number 11 for Dewalt. All right, number 12 for the 12 volt. Here we go. Number 12 for Dewalt. Number 13 for Milwaukee. Number 13 for Dewalt. Number 14, Milwaukee. Dewalt. Number 15. Number 15, Dewalt. We might only get one more cut out of each. The length of this stock is getting pretty short. Although I suppose I can extend it a bit. Okay, this is number 16. Oh, there it is. There it is. And I pull the trigger. See that flashing red light indicates that this battery has had enough. Might be able to get one more. We'll try it. Now see, it's flashing again. Won't even go with no load on the blade. So let's count up our pieces here. For the Milwaukee, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. And I know someone's going to say, oh, you should have kept going with the Dewalt. Here we go. So we're at, we have 15 with the Dewalt. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, let's keep doing it. $16. 17. Okay, I would say that one's about through, but it didn't quite get there. So we got 17 on the Dewalt and 15 on the Milwaukee. So a couple of comments about both. Obviously, this Dewalt 18-volt unit does feel substantially more powerful, but as you can see, it didn't actually get a lot more work done compared to the 12-volt Milwaukee. I think that ergonomically the Dewalt is a little bit more comfortable to use. It's got this secondary hand grip, although I will say I kept finding myself putting my left hand kind of over the motor. Just felt a little bit more well balanced that way. Whereas the Milwaukee really only has one place to put your hand, which is on the handle. And, you know, again, similarly, I ended up kind of finding that my other hand just gravitated towards, you know, applying some pressure on top of the motor, which kind of lines up properly with the blade as well. Yeah, so overall, I think that pretty well covers what I wanted to cover. So just, again, both these batteries did start off 100% charged. They're both 36 watt-hour batteries. You know, so obviously the Dewalt's got a bigger motor on it, Milwaukee's smaller, you know, and aside from there being different teeth per inch per different blade, I don't know, you know, I'd say that they performed pretty equivalently for the most part, other than the 2 extra cuts on the Dewalt. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you got any questions or comments, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.